Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Epileptic token. Now they call this token the Epileptic token, but if you're trying to find this token, like say on Dex Screener or one of the chart listing sites like Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, SoulScan, the name and ticker symbol for this token is a bunch of colors. And one of them is flashing, so it's just kind of like a rainbow of colors. And because, you know, people who have epilepsy, if they watch a video with flashing lights, that can be extremely bad for them and they could have a seizure. So that's why before certain video games and movies, videos, etc., they will have disclaimers, little warnings saying there will be flashing lights here. So anybody, you know, with epilepsy, be aware and probably don't watch this. So they have those. I mean, if you have epilepsy, don't go to this website, first of all, because the website is flashing and it is epileptic.fun is the webpage. But yes, warning, disclaimer, maybe don't look up this token if you're prone to seizures. So besides that, this token just got a huge central exchange listing today. This token has a gigantic market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume. I mean, it's just doing amazing, this token here. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token just got listed today, November 18th at 1440 UTC time, which has already passed, so it is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Epileptic, and then simply just buy the token. Now, I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. You can see they have the contract address right there. They also have a link to their Telegram at Epileptic Soul. This Twitter just joined November 2024. And you can see those are the colors right there. So that is like basically the real name of the token. But I mean, if you're going to list it on a central exchange or you're going to, you know, talk about it, it's a lot easier to write Epileptic, like Epileptic in the URL for the Twitter there at Epileptic Soul. It's a lot easier to write that than it is to remember the order of those colors and copy paste those like emojis, you know, on a central exchange or, you know, in a trading section, whatever. So that's why they have it listed almost everywhere as Epileptic. But like I said, on the chart sites and everything like that, it's going to be listed in those color format there. Now, 37 tweets are on this Twitter. They just joined November 2024 on Twitter, and they already have 3,258 followers. So 37 tweets, and if you scroll through the tweets here, and it says here that, you know, they have all different updates. Like it's listed on Max Bid Pro where you can leverage it. I don't know if they have futures and stuff like that for this token yet on Mexc Global, but you could do a lot of that stuff on Mexc as well. But sometimes you might have to wait a day or two after the initial listing for it to be listed in the futures section. Now, they have here, it says first 24 hours recap. They have done over $73 million in trading volume just in 24 hours. They have over 33,000 holders. They have over 2,600 X followers. They have Dex Screener, Pump.Fun, Bull postings, and Central Exchange listings, including Mexc Global. So if you go to their webpage, which is just epileptic.fun, they have the contract address right there and just flashing lights. So maybe Mexc Global is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange. You can also get this token off of Raydium by funding your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet or Soulflare or Phantom Wallet, which you could download from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would fund that wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for this token using the contract address you could find on their Twitter or on their webpage or on their Telegram. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You probably have to pay a little bit of gas fees. This token might be available also on Jupiter, Meteora, and other Solana dexes. And yeah, so it says CTO on the Telegram. It says Telegram group for Epileptic on Solana CTO, 3,886 Telegram members, 1,468 of them are online. Now, if we go to the Twitter, there was a community takeover. It says a community claimed ownership for this token November 17th, 2024. It says, watch out for seizures. Epileptic on Sol is here. Ultra organic with Sol. Adverse effect of seizures. Okay, well, let's not have seizures, people. Now, it says here they have 2,146 pooled Sol and Raydium, which is equivalent to 19,698,953 pooled Epileptic tokens. They have a market cap of $26.1 million right now, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. In the past 24 hours, this token's up 223%. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $67.6 million. They've had over 144,600 transactions today. They have $1 million in liquidity in Raydium, and 99.74% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. And token price today is about 2.55 cents per token. So go check this token out. Let me know, unless you have epilepsy, then don't go check it out. But it's trending number 27 on Dex Screener right now. And yeah, token is brand new, hot off the press, doing amazing. Got that Mexc global listing. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.